Hi friends, continuing to the chapter, The Psychology. Self-affirmation. Another interpretation of the dissonance theory was with a focus on one's self-imagine is Steele's self-affirmation theory. According to Steele in 1988, people are motivated to maintain the integrity of the self. The ultimate goal of the self is to protect an image of its self-integrity, morality and addictivity. These two premises lead to two implications. First, we experience a self-imagined threat after acting in a manner inconsequent with our sense of honest or integrity. Second, when our self-concept is threatened, we often compensate by affirming the another assets of the self. In the other word, we can reduce the dissonance by affirming our integrity in some other unrelated area of our lives. Thank you.